こんにちは、ゆうこ先生です。The sign-up fee for the Kanji startup course will increase on April 3rd, 2023. So today I am sharing this video in case you want to join the course before the fee goes up. This Kanji course helps you to get started with Kanji from zero. The course is designed for complete beginners of Kanji.Learners get confused with Japanese kanji because there are many different readings for each kanji letter. So in this course, I'm going to focus on kanji words rather than individual kanji letters so that you can remember kanji readings in context. The course provides a list of 250 kanji words in a 20-page PDF file.I will introduce very basic kanji in this course and then show you what vocabulary you can create with those kanji. And then, you will learn how to use the words in sentences. There are lists of example sentences from each lesson. The list has 20 pages in total. I also provide worksheets for you to practice reading and writing.I recommend you to try the reading practice first. Check answers and learn the meaning of each sentence. And then, in the writing practice, try to recreate each sentence based on the meaning in English. This way, it's also going to be good practice for you to construct sentences in Japanese. The course comes with quizzes.Be sure to try the quiz after each section and test how much you can read the kanji words that you have learned. I also teach how to write each kanji letter in this course. However, in this digital era, writing kanji by hand may not be necessary. As long as you can read and know the meaning of kanji words, it may be enough for you.But I included writing lessons anyway because some students told me that they want to learn how to write kanji. Also, in the near future, writing kanji by hand may become more like an artistic skill rather than a necessity. It will be a good skill to acquire anyway, so I decided to include writing lessons in this course. But it's completely your choice if you learn to write each kanji letter or not.The course also comes with kanji cards for all the kanji letters introduced in the course. Using the cards, you can practice spelling kanji words based on their reading or the meaning. You will be amazed to see how many words you can spell with these basic kanji letters. The card drill covers 175 kanji words. This is good training to build up your kanji vocabulary.This course is a startup course, so I guide you through the starting point of your kanji learning journey. And you will learn how kanji functions and how to use them in your Japanese. I know kanji can be very intimidating. Many Japanese learners are scared of kanji. So I hope this course helps you gradually get used to using kanji in your own sentences.You can sign up through the link in the description box below. This kanji course is always available, but the fee increases in April 2023. So sign up soon if you want to join the course at the current price. You can also download the entire lesson list below this video. では、コースの中でお会いしましょう。